Hello, this is Michael Emery with Emery EPS Internet Marketing, and what we're doing is website reviews for the keyword phrase Seattle Attorney. And essentially what I'm doing is I'm outlining the factors why certain websites are not showing up in the top 3 positions of Google search for the keyword phrase Seattle Attorney. So we're on page 5 now. We're going to scroll down through 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. We're getting down to the bottom of page 5. We can see Seattle law firm, Badgley, Mullins, Turner. So we've got badgleymullins.com. Let's go ahead and take a look at this website. Nice, sharp, professional looking site. We've got all the practice areas. Could possibly be ranking for all of these keyword phrases. It is a little bit possibly old if it's been updated in 2014. That was last time. Let's take a look and see what the robots see when they go to this website. So we've got our title: Seattle law firm, Seattle Washington lawyers, Seattle an attorney is possibly one of the things that's triggering here. Seattle Washington trial lawyers, good. Let's fix the meta keywords, get rid of those. We got some header issues that I would make some recommendations. We enhance and change those headers so that they're a bit more precise. Image issues, microformat issues, meta viewport, XML website, XML sitemap rather. Okay, so the onsite is about probably around a C+, B-. Now let's take a look at the actual performance, the speed of the website. We've got a page speed score of 87%. That's fine. Could come up a little bit. Y slow of 79%. That needs to come up. The page load time is great. The page size is perfect. Just need to have some minor issues and updates here. Now let's go to Google and see what Google says. And we're kind of running into the problem. So this is why the scores are a little bit low. We're failing on the mobile. So we've got some factors here that we need to update, and our team can definitely take care of that for you. And then with the desktop, same thing. We've got some optimization issues here. So these are really important because they play into Google's algorithm. And when Google itself is telling you, look, there's some problems with this website that need to be fixed, it's going to most likely affect your ranking. So that's the on-site version of the website. Now we're going to take a look at the off-site, which has to do with the actual positioning in Google search results. So we've got a decent trust flow here. We've got 560 backlinks. I'm going to make a guess that there's probably been some degree of SEO done, but it hasn't. Well, maybe not. Maybe not. Although we do have a fair number of backlinks here. So what we're seeing here is we're seeing other anchor text, URL, generic, brand, generic, URL. What we're not seeing is we're not seeing any keyword phrases in here that are relevant to the services provided. So that's why we're on the bottom of page 5 instead of page 1 for a keyword phrase like Seattle Attorney, because the trust flow is actually not too bad. So here's what I would recommend moving forward. We fix some of the on-site problems. Fix the speed, fix the use of meta titles, meta descriptions, and the headers H1, 2, and 3. Then we go for resolving some of the off-site issues, which means we'd set up SEO campaigns that specifically target relevant keyword phrases that describe the offerings of this firm. So I hope this has been insightful. I'd love to have the opportunity to speak with the individual in charge of internet marketing for this firm. We can plot a path forward. And what this is going to do is going to result in higher positioning in the Google searches, which means more traffic. More traffic equals higher conversions, and higher conversions equals an increase in revenues. So thank you very much for your time, and we'll be in touch.